Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Chemistry Practical Class 11. First, always understand the experiment's objective before you even step into the lab. This means reading through the procedure carefully and knowing what you're trying to achieve. Make sure you grasp the underlying chemical principles. Also, pay close attention to safety guidelines and how to properly use the apparatus. A well-prepared pre-lab notebook, including data tables, will save you valuable time and help you focus during the practical. Before your practical, dedicate time to thorough preparation. Read the entire experiment, highlighting critical steps and any safety warnings. It's vital to know the properties of all chemicals involved, such as handling a 3.5% acid solution safely. Drawing a diagram of the apparatus helps you visualize the setup, making you more efficient in the lab. Try to anticipate the results and understand the chemical reactions that should occur, which deepens your learning. During the practical, focus on precision and accuracy. Follow each instruction carefully, as even small deviations can affect your results. Record all your observations and measurements immediately and accurately in your lab notebook. Don't rely on memory. Always handle chemicals and glassware with the utmost care, ensuring your workspace remains tidy. If you encounter any uncertainty, whether about a procedure or an unexpected observation, do not hesitate to ask your instructor for clarification. After completing the experiment, the learning continues with post-lab analysis. Carefully analyze all your collected data and perform any required calculations, ensuring they are correct. Write a detailed lab report that clearly presents your observations, results, and conclusions. It's crucial to link your practical findings back to the theoretical knowledge you've gained in class. Finally, review potential Viva questions related to the experiment. This reinforces your understanding and prepares you for assessments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.